Seedance 2 is definitely the heavyweight champ of AI anime generation right now. But let's be totally real, it is pretty expensive. I made this with a new model called Happy Horse. It gives you 15 seconds of cinematic anime for way less money.
今天真开心。
我们终于见面了。
事情不对劲。
The day he reached out to us, that was when everything changed, and I realized I'm not a real person.
等等，
已经太晚了。
To get the cleanest results out of Happy Horse, you need the right setup. Today, I'll show you the Omni Reference workflow.
我告诉过呢，一切都会改变。
Hey everyone, Nova here, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to prompt Happy Horse to get the best possible results. We're focusing on how to write a proper Omni Reference prompt, including specific lighting, dialogue, and camera settings. Let's get into it. We're using JXP, an all-in-one AI platform that brings all these powerful image and video models together. To start, just click on Happy Horse from the top menu. You'll see some options here, like text to video and image to video, which uses that first and last frame method. But for this workflow, we're focusing entirely on the Reference to Video tab. There's also Re-Edit over here, where you can swap characters or use a base video for motion control. Definitely lots of creative potential there too. First, we need to prepare our assets. Let's talk about what your reference image must look like to get the best results. Here is the golden rule for Happy Horse. You need to input one single full-body image with a front-facing view. Do not use character sheets that show multiple angles. The AI will actually try to animate all of them at once and completely break your video. You just need one clean image where the character is standing full body, facing the camera directly in a clean background. Now, inside the Reference to Video tab, upload your images here. To reference them in your prompt, you'll use a tag like @image1 or just @1. JXP is flexible, so either one works fine. For the settings, I'm going with a 16:9 aspect ratio and 720p resolution. Once that's set, just choose your duration, and we're ready to hit it. The video was actually the girl's dream, and I'm really happy with it. No changes needed. Now, let's check the formula. Number 1, binding. This is where you tag your assets using @image1 or @image2. Number 2, action. Describe the movement, but keep it simple. Number 3, environment. Describe the setting, but focus heavily on the lighting and atmosphere to set the mood. Number 4, style. Be specific about the look, something like cinematic 2D anime style. Number 5, camera. Define the lens movement, like a slow push-in or a tracking shot. And number 6, audio. Just put your dialogue in quotes to get perfect lip sync. First is the binding. In Seedance 2, you have to describe every detail of the clothing and face. In Happy Horse, do not describe the image at all. The AI already sees it. You just need to identify who the image belongs to, like at image 1 as the girl. Next is the action. Seedance handles long movement descriptions well, but here you must stay concise. The environment and style blocks work exactly like they do in Seedance, but pay close attention to the camera. Do not mix camera moves into your action text. They must stay in their own separate block. Finally, the audio. Instead of uploading files or saying, "she says," you create a dedicated audio block at the end.
等等，
已经太晚了。
You might be wondering, if we just put quotes at the bottom, how does the AI know who is actually speaking? Well, the Happy Horse engine uses timeline mapping. It reads your action block just like a movie script, from start to finish. In our action block, at image 2 initiates the scene by running up. Because he is the first character taking an action in the timeline, the AI automatically assigns the first quote, "Dung ding, wait," to his mouth. Then the prompt says, at image 1, turns her head back. Because she is the second character acting in the sequence, the AI assigns the second quote, "Yi jing tai wan lo." It's
已
already
经
too
太
late
晚了。
to her.
"事情不对劲。
Take this classroom awakening scene. In the action block, I just described her waking up and turning her head. But look at the camera block. I actually commanded 3 distinct camera moves in just 15 seconds. An extreme macro close-up on the eye, pulling back to a wide tracking shot, and finishing with a sharp focus pull to the villain in the doorway. All right, let's see the result.
我告诉过你，一切都会改变。
Here, I bound at image 1 and at image 2 as the students, and at image 3 as the stranger blocking the path. But if you have a specific reference image for your background, you must introduce it right here in the binding section too. For example, you would just add at image 4 as the sunlit school corridor.
今天真开心！
我们终于见面了。
Okay guys, I've put the link in the description. If you give it a try, let me and the community know your thoughts. Thanks for hanging out today. Love you all, and I'll see you in the next one.